This video illustrates how to install a pole mount using concrete and assumes you have already selected your best mounting option and location. After the pole location has been identified and utility locations have been verified, dig the hole to a depth of no less than 36 inches. Prior to digging, ask the customer where they would like to have excess earth placed. To assist in moving the excess earth, utilize the 5-gallon bucket. The hole must be belled out at the bottom so the concrete won't heave in freezing conditions. Remove any excess dirt using the 5-gallon bucket, leaving enough earth at the pole mount location to backfill the top of the hole once the installation is completed. Next, add 3 gallons of water into the 5-gallon bucket to prepare for the pouring of the concrete. The hole must have at least 150 pounds of concrete when filled. We recommend using 3 50-pound bags of fast-setting concrete that can be mixed in the hole. Note that the pole we are using has a pre-flattened section to prevent it from rotating in the solidified concrete pier. Place the pole into the hole and pour dry, fast-setting concrete mix until the hole is about half full. Once complete, the pole must extend at least 30 inches into the concrete pier. Level the pole vertically and add water until the concrete mix is saturated. This means you will see no dry patches and no standing water. Depending on soil conditions, each 50-pound bag requires about 1 gallon of water. Plumb the pole using a magnetic torpedo level. While tamping the concrete with the back of a shovel handle, solidify its placement. Next, run the flooded cable through the PVC sweep. The sweep should be secured using zip ties so that the bottom zip tie is just above the ground level. Use the additional zip ties to secure the cables up the pole. Be sure to leave enough cable at the top to attach the ODU and provide a service loop. Pour the rest of the concrete in the hole and saturate with water. Make sure the pole is plumb after pouring the water, while tamping the concrete to solidify the mount. Rinse any concrete off of your shovel using a hose or additional water from the bucket. Next, backfill the excess earth and allow the concrete time to set. Drying times vary with season and climate. The higher the ambient temperature or temperature of the water used for mixing, the faster the concrete will set. Do not mount the ODU on the pole until the concrete is set. While the concrete is setting, bury the cable from the pole mount to the side of the structure. Policy for trenching may vary by organization or region, so be sure to check with your manager to understand your responsibility for trenching to the pole mount location. Place the second sweep over the cable and bury it so that the bottom mounting holes are just above the ground level. Route the cable to the exterior ground block, securing with appropriate fasteners. Flooded RG6 cable should only be used between the pole and the ground block on the exterior of the structure. Only approved non-flooded RG6 cables should be routed inside. Once the concrete is set, install the galvanized ground strap to the pole and secure the number 17 ground wire attached to the RG6 cable. For more information, search the doc keyword ODU mounting.